In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Just type Settings in search bar on the taskbar and click on Settings option. You can even right click on the Start button and from here, you can access settings. Now from the left panel, click Personalization. On the right, click Colors. Here you will find option to choose your mode. In the drop down there are three options: light, dark and custom. Let's select dark option and the dark theme will be activated in your Windows 11 PC. Now all those apps where theme selected is system settings, dark theme will be applied to those apps as well, as the system theme is set as dark. For example, in Word app, Office theme is set as system settings, so dark theme is applied in Word app. In case if you wish to revert back to the light theme, then from choose your mode drop down, select light option and light theme will be activated. So that is how you can enable dark mode in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.